Hello, kids! Look at this shiny white car. It's going on a color adventure. Are you ready? Wow, a big red balloon is here. Pop, splash, the white car turned red. Red car, beep beep. Here comes a blue balloon. Blue, pop, splash, the red car turned blue. Blue like the sky. Oh look, a green balloon. Pop, splash, the blue car turned green. Green like the trees. Wow, a yellow balloon is flying in. Pop, splash, the green car turned yellow, bright like the sun. Here comes a pink balloon. Pink, pop, splash, the yellow car turned pink. So pretty and fun. Look, an orange balloon. Pop, splash, the pink car turned orange, like a juicy orange fruit. Wow, a purple balloon. Pop, splash, the orange car turned purple, purple like yummy grapes. Amazing! A giant rainbow balloon. Pop, splash, the purple car turned into a rainbow car. All the colors together, so beautiful. The rainbow car drives away happily. Bye-bye, kids! Learning colors is so much fun. See you next time!